The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Welcome folks, Monopoly Stocks here. Today we'll be talking about the daily wrap up and what are the upcoming announcements and catalysts. Yes, we always give a jam-packed information in our daily videos, so if you are a active investor, make sure to watch it all the way through because there is a lot of information which will affect the market, so which we'll be mentioning in these videos. So stay with us. I'll see you right after this. Welcome back folks. Before getting started, I would like to thank everybody who has subscribed to us. We're already reaching 850 subscribers. Thanks for your love and support. We just started about 40 days ago. At the same time, a lot of people are watching but not subscribing, so please do take a second to press that like button and also the subscribe button. In this way you're encouraging us and also helping us to grow our channel. So now that you're subscribed, let's get into the presentation of today. Okay. So today, according to Yahoo Finance, S&P 500X out record high ahead of packed earnings week. And today we have Dow Jones in the red, but S&P 500, NASDAQ is in the green. And we see the US small cap is almost gained 1%, which is double than the rest of them. So we feel the money is going towards the small market cap. So if you are invested, just plan accordingly because small market cap is always volatile. So if you are invested, don't forget to take some profits. If you have high conviction on this stocks on the companies which you are invested, it's okay, but if not, like just try to take some profits in that way you're cash loaded. Okay. And also we can see a lot of volatility in the S&P because a lot of companies are giving earnings this week. Almost 50% of S&P companies will be giving earnings this week, and 84% of the companies reported positive earnings. And also with the Biden's tax announcement, there is a little bit volatile in the market, but at the same time we don't need to worry about it because they cannot just go and increase the taxes so high because that will affect the stock market, and no government will try to crash their own stock market. So just keep that in mind, because if any crash is there because of this tax announcement or anything, don't sell out your stocks for loss or anything. Okay, because anytime just announcing is different from implementing. So just remember that, and just plan your entry and exit accordingly. Okay. And on the other hand, we have Bitcoin recouping a little bit. It was in about like 48,000 this I think this weekend, but right now it's about 53,000 plus. And then we have Ethereum also rallying, and we have other altcoins also recovering pretty good. So just watch out for that. And in the other news, we have almost all the companies today in the positive, but some of the companies which are in health and consumer defense are a little bit in the correction because last week they had a high gain, they had a rally, so they're correcting a little bit. And at the same time, a lot of these companies are like rallying because in the expectation of Q4 earnings beat. So just be careful because every time, like if there is a big rally, as soon as they announce their earnings, there will be a little bit correction in the stock price, or people will tend to sell off. So just watch out for that. And also we have Tesla cruises past Q1 expectations, points to gigafactory momentum. So it produced almost 184,000 vehicles, which is a massive 109% more than in Q1 2020. And the gigafactory Shanghai will increase the volume on Model Y this year, and Tesla expected to achieve almost 50% average vehicle growth every year. And on the other hand, there is a rumors about Amazon stock split speculation since the shares price higher. And according to iFox Business, Charles tweets that Amazon stock split is likely in 2021 and could come as early as Thursday when the e-commerce giant reports earnings, and this will push Mr. Jeff Bezos ahead of Elon Musk as the world's richest man. And we have also the SPAC Churchill Capital for gains on speculation of Lucid Motors collaboration with Apple. So the SPAC Churchill Capital 4, which is the ticker symbol CCIV, which is in deal to take Lucid Motors public, rose about 4.9% on the speculation of potential partnership to make EV cars with Apple. And the Lucid Motors rumors also come after a report earlier this month that Magna International, which is MGA, joint ventures with LG Electronics, is set a near contract to build Apple cars. So this is just a rumor. So if you are invested in Churchill Capital, just plan your entry and exit accordingly. And also we have Tesla sold nearly 300 million of Bitcoin in Q1. So if you are a Bitcoin investor, so just watch out for that, because a lot of people were watching on Musk, like, buying Bitcoin. Because of that, Bitcoin rallied so much. So now that he sold and took some profit, people tend to do that. So a lot of people follow Musk. So just be careful if you're invested in Bitcoin. So plan your entry and exit accordingly, okay? And this is from our watch list. This is regarding Marathon Digital Holding. So tomorrow, for April 27th, we have Marathon Digital Holding. The present value is $32.20, and 52-week high is $57.75, and the low is 40 cents. The ticker symbol is MARA. At 10 a.m., Marathon Digital Holding CEO Mr. Merrick will be participating in the HC Wainwright Cryptocurrency Blockchain and FinTech Conference. Mr. Merrick will be a part of timely crypto mining technology, flexibility, and sustainability panel, and conduct a fireside chat later in the day, as well as hold one-on-one meeting with the institutional investors and analysts throughout the conference. The company is in losses at present, and the revenue went 4 times from 2019, and the company has a plenty of cash in their balance sheet, because recently they raised some cash, and they have about $143 million. The cost of the goods in 2020 is about $8.57 million, and this is the reason they're still in losses, because their cost of goods is still higher, and the cost of the goods at present is the concerning when we compare to their competitor, who is Riot, the ticker symbol RIOT, and the company is Riot Blockchain Inc. And Riot did about $12 million in 2020 with cost of goods of only 10.75. So they were in positive. And if Mara can address the operating cost and can give an update on the technology they will use to reduce the issue of operating costs with the institutional investors, it will bring the confidence among the investor, and the stock price could go up. And Mara market cap currently is about $3.19 billion, and on April 5th, remember, their CFO sold about 74,000 of common shares. And please be careful on this one, because anything positive in the news can rally up the stock price, but this is very contingent on the price of Bitcoin. So any volatility in the cryptocurrency, it affects Mara very high, okay? And also tomorrow, for April 27th, we have at 10 a.m. executives from Facebook, ticker symbol FB, Twitter, ticker symbol TWTR, and YouTube, which is Google, ticker symbol GOOG, testify in front of the Senate Judiciary hearing covering the algorithmic amplifications. The original plan to bring in the chief executives to discuss the algorithm, but the testimony will come from the executives closer to the policy making on the issue. So don't panic and sell this one, because this is just the meeting regarding how internet regulations should be written, and on limiting how the users and what to post. So Mr. Sundar Pichai and Mark Zuckerberg has a contrasting view on this. However, this news shouldn't impact the balance sheet, because they are very cash loaded. They have a very good balance sheet anyways. And in the biotech stock, we have a few announcements tomorrow. So April 27th, it's an all-day event. So the FDA action date arrives for Protalix Biotherapeutics, ticker symbol PLX, on the priority review of one of their products, which is PRX102 for the Fabry disease. Shares of Protalix Bio rallied in February when a positive data was released by the company. And also for the same day, we have about 8 p.m. Cellrion Therapeutics, ticker symbol CYCN, host a webinar with live Q&A. The company will provide a corporate update on the clinical programs for its CY6463 therapy used in Alzheimer's diseases with a vascular pathology. And for the same day, we have at 10:30 a.m. top executives with the Solid Biosciences, ticker symbol SLDB, will participate in a virtual fireside chat at Jordan 5th Annual Genetic Medicine Manufacturing Summit. And this is for April 28th at 10 a.m. Trillium Therapeutics, ticker symbol TRIL, holds a R&D day to provide the data for update for their products, which is TTI 622 and TTI 621, including the data for their products dose at cohorts. The company has a buy rating at the present from the analyst with a target price of $21. And tomorrow we have major earnings, so just watch out for this. Anything positive in these earnings could affect the market really good, but if anything negative, this could throw out the S&P and Nasdaq and everything else. So tomorrow we have, before the bell, we have UPS, GE, 3M, and we have BP reporting, and also we have Waste Management. And after the bell, we have AMD, Microsoft, Pinterest, Alphabet, and Visa and Starbucks to report their earnings. So just watch out for that, because anything positive in this could affect the rest of the week market. Okay. And also we have after hours movers. The company is First Choice Bancorp, ticker symbol FCBP. It rallied almost 23% after the bell. So for the First Choice Bancorp, Mr. Badger, Eagle, and Square PC investigates the sale of FCBP and encourages investors to contact the firm. And also we have company Brown and Brown Inc. rallying, and the ticker symbol is BRO. And it announces its quarterly revenue of $115 million, an increase of 16.7%, and a net income per share of 0.70, and a quarterly dividend of 9 cents per share. So this rallied the shares after the hours. And we have HSB, Hendrick and Struggles post record of 2021 first quarter results. So because of this company is rallying. And we have IMNM, Immuno stock jumps on its antibody cocktail neutralizing the multi-COVID-19A variants in the animal studies. So these are the stocks which are rallying, but there are a few other stocks also rallying, but there is no much news on this. And some of the stocks are rallying because of the Q4 earnings beat. So if you're invested in that, just plan your entry and exit accordingly. Okay, and that's it for today, guys. We're also working on a couple of high growth stocks. We're finalizing some research on that, so we'll be releasing that video very soon. So make sure you don't miss that, and we'll be doing the daily video every day, so don't miss out that also. And always remember, please be good to each other. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow.